Recently on our channel, we talked about some causes and reasons for constipation. Have you watched the video yet? Did you know that colitis is one of the causes of constipation? It is characterized by intestinal inflammation, with symptoms such as diarrhea, presence of mucus or blood in the stool, abdominal pain, fever, dehydration, and flatulence. Caused by infectious means such as virus, bacteria, or parasites, colitis can be divided as ulcerative, ischemic, pseudomembranous, and even idiopathic, no defined cause. Besides, colitis can also be categorized as acute, which lasts more than a week, and chronic, that lasts less than 4 weeks. The most common is the infectious kind, especially by food poisoning. It is important to pay attention to where we eat. Generally, a person who suffers from colitis should not follow restrictive diets and needs to adapt their diet according to the severity of the disease and symptoms. It is necessary to observe how the body reacts to every food eaten and to learn to identify which foods trigger the symptoms of colitis. Are you enjoying the video so far? Leave a comment to let us know if we are contributing to inform you. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. If you are going through it, opt for these foods. Eat grilled or baked fish, thanks to its beneficial properties and for being rich in proteins and omega-3, which reduces inflammation, and low in fats. Fish like salmon can be eaten without restrictions. Prefer white rice and baked or cooked potatoes. Rice is very beneficial for those who suffer from colitis, and potatoes are high in carbs and water, besides being rich in vitamins, potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese, zinc, and starch. Some of the foods you must avoid are coffee, tea, chocolate, and energy drinks. They all have caffeine, which due to its stimulating power, can accelerate the functioning of your intestines, leading to more frequent bathroom breaks. Legumes such as beans, peas, and lentils. They are rich in fiber and can increase intestinal movements, abdominal cramps, and flatulence. Dairy like milk and its byproducts. Lactose may increase abdominal pain or abdominal distension. And lastly, spicy foods and condiments such as pepper, paprika, soy sauces, mustard, and ketchup. These condiments may irritate even more the intestinal mucosa. If you have any symptoms of colitis, immediately seek a doctor or gastroenterologist to have your situation analyzed. Avoid foods that have insoluble fibers, like the peels of fruits and vegetables, to not stimulate the intestines and aggravate the issue. Also avoid fermented beverages such as beer, wine, and champagne. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.